it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to make Twitter accounts public. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application and to make Twitter account public, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Then tap on Setting and Support. After that, tap on Setting and Privacy. These interfaces will appear, so choose Privacy and Safety. Now choose the first option, or Audience and Tagging. As you see here, Protect Your Tweets option is enabled. So if it is enabled, it means that only current followers and people who approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. Now to make your Twitter account public, simply deactivate this option. And like that, anyone on Twitter can see your tweets. And this is it. This is how to make Twitter account public. Thanks for watching. See ya.